What is going on, guys? Today we have here a 2011 Ford Fusion. We have it on a jack stand. We're going to be replacing the upper control arm, and we have here a 17 millimeter nut, and then we have a 13 millimeter bolt on both sides. So let's go ahead and loosen the 17 millimeter with an impact. And with a bolt joint separator, we're gonna separate the upper control arm from the steering knuckle. Okay, and let's go ahead and remove both of the bolts. Now on this side, it's a lot more easier than the driver's side, because you have to move the strut in order to get the bolts, but this one is a little bit easier. Okay, and there we have it out, and as you can see, the bushings, they were completely gone. So let's go ahead and get the new one. So as you can see, they have different part numbers, so you have to make sure that you choose the right one for the right side. Just make sure that they look the same and you're good to go. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put the bolts. You're gonna have to play with it a little bit so you can get the bolts, both of the bolts in, and then you can go ahead and put the joint to the steering knuckle and go ahead and put the nut. Okay, let's go ahead and tie the 13 millimeter bolts. And here we have a 17 millimeter socket with an impact. And let's go ahead and tie it to the steering knuckle. And that's pretty much it. Just put the tire back, get it out of the jack stand, and you're good to go. Alright guys, well there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.